Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Citibank for escrow deposit access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Citibank for escrow deposit access, start by navigating to the Citibank website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. If you are using the mobile app, open it on your device. Select the login option from the main screen. Input your username as prompted. Tap on Continue to move forward with the process. After entering your username, you will be asked to provide your password. Type in your password carefully. Ensure all characters are entered correctly to avoid errors. Click on Sign In to gain access to your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, select the Forgot Username Password link. Follow the provided instructions to reset your credentials. You may need to verify your identity through email or SMS. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option labeled Escrow Deposits within your accounts. Select that option to access your escrow information. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps required by Citibank. This may involve answering security questions or entering a verification code. After verification, you will gain access to your escrow deposit information. Review your escrow details carefully. If you need further assistance, consider using the chat feature or calling customer service. Make sure to log out once you are finished to secure your account. Keep your login information confidential to ensure the safety of your escrow deposits. Always verify that you are on the official Citibank website or app to avoid phishing scams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.